Everyone, welcome to my channel Scribblings of Life. In today's tutorial we are going to make a quilling Christmas tree as the Christmas is approaching, and I'm very sorry for such a long missing in action on the YouTube, but there were few things which I had to tackle, so I was not available here. So in today's tutorial we are going to make the Christmas tree as shown in the figure. Now this is the list of the material required, and here is the material. So I am showing you motor tool here, but I am not going to use it for this particular project. Here I have tweezers, glue and a lot of quilling strips of various colors. So on a watercolor paper, first you have to make a Christmas tree, something like this. I have used random colors to make the Christmas tree, and I have used Faber-Castell watercolors to make this tree. And here is the manual slotted quilling tool which I have used in this particular project. So now in the order of the colors which you have used, like on the top I have used green color, so pick up the green strips and start making scrolls. So we have to make open-ended scroll, and we can make them in various sizes and different sort of ring, small ring or big ring, tight, loose, that is totally random, and you have to make these kind of scrolls. A lot of scrolls are required. So now what I am doing, I have taken shades of green and I am making the scrolls as I shown. In the meanwhile, I am also giving the open end a shape, a curvy shape, using my tool only, as you can see in the video. So now after you make 3-4 scrolls, you can start pasting them in the form of a Christmas tree. So since this is sort of edge quilling, I am using glue on my hand and tapping the scroll gently on the glue so that the edge is covered with the glue, and then I am pasting it using the tweezer. Okay, so in this particular project tweezer is sort of important, but in case you don't have that, no worries, you can use your hands as well, the fingers as well, to do it. It is not very difficult with the fingers also, but tweezers make the work little easy for you. So in the similar way you have to follow the whole process. Just change the colors, the size of the scroll, and just keep on doing this until the end. At few points I have also used V scrolls here, as you can see. So basically the whole project is based on the scrolls and how creatively and beautifully you can use them to create this project. It is a very easy project, and any beginner can do it very easily. So in this way you can even use the strips. Like for example, you had a packet of strip and only 2-3 strips are left for a particular color. Sorry. So you can even use those strips in this project. So you have some strips of orange, some of green left with you, so you can make this kind of Christmas tree using watercolor or maybe the crayons as well, and just start making the Christmas tree. So in that case your strips will be utilized and a project will be ready for you. So when I made this project, I used normal strips as well as metallic strips, and utilized all my leftover strips which I was not able to use in any other project because they were not available in the required quantity. So this is how I used my strips and made this beautiful project. Like this particular one which you are seeing right now is a metallic strip. It is not a normal quilling strip. It is a metallic strip, and I used it because it was a beautiful brown, copper brown color, and I wanted to use it here. Now, of course, I mean, when you are using random sizes of scrolls, there will be some gaps in between. That is going to happen anyways. So fill it with the smaller scrolls and random colors so that it doesn't look empty. Uh, so yeah, this is how things are done, and end project is always beautiful, right? Now with this we are done with the Christmas tree part. Now coming to the stem, I have used this brown color and I am making a rectangular shape out of it. So to make the rectangular shape we have to pinch it from two sides, okay, and this is how we make the rectangular shape. I have already posted a video on this, I guess, previously. So yeah, this is how the stem is used. You can even use small, very small tight coils to make the stem. You can even use the beehiving technique to make the stem. So it all depends how you want to make it. Okay, now I made a empty hollow rectangle and just pasted it outside that rectangular scroll. So this is how this Christmas tree is almost done. I'm just giving it some finishing touches. And yeah, one more thing, I mean, you can even make a random star shape and paste it on the top of the Christmas tree. Yeah, this was a totally random shape. I mean, there is no particular way to make this. I was just trying it randomly and made it like this. So yeah, with this the project is done, and here is the final image of the project. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.